Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Shell scripting tutorials for beginners. In the first video, we have already discussed how to create the shell script and how to execute. In this video, we will discuss on the variables and comments. And for that, as previously said in the first video, we would work on the Visual Studio Code. And at first open it. First of all, we would discuss on comments. Comments are the lines of code which are not executed by the script or which are ignored by script during execution. But comments are very much helpful for the developers. Such as here, the first one file we have created, that one is the hello.sh, and here we have written that hello world. So the first one line, that hash exclamation sign and then /usr/bin/bash practically is denoting a comment line. That means if we type hash and then comments, that means that one is also denoting a comment line. That means if we start a line of code with hash, it would become a comment line. Now we can execute the script. Practically we are now in the Visual Studio Code. And here we are using the folder that is, or the directory that is shell script. And here we have the same code as written in the first video. Ctrl S to save the file. And here at first we are executing it. So hello.sh, and we are getting the output as we desire. Just look that hash sign and then the words comments are not executed. That means these lines have been ignored during execution. So the comments would not be executed during execution. Moreover, we can also use the comments lines or comments words at the end of any other line, like after the statement or the line echo hello world, we are here typing hash and another one comment line, suppose, and we are saving the file using Ctrl+S. Now execute the same file once again and we are getting the output hello world. So the comments lines are ignored by default. Now we are describing about the variables. What is a variable? Variable is a container which contains some data into it. In Unix or Unix-like systems like Linux, there are basically two types of variables: system variable and user-defined variables. System variables are created and maintained by the operating system itself. So system variables are predefined. The system variables are generally defined in the capital cases. So if we see any variable is in capital, most of the cases they are system variables. User defined variables are created and maintained by the user, and most of the cases these variables are created in lower cases or mix of capital and lower cases like camel case. But there is no such strict rule also. So at first we work on the system variables. Suppose here we are typing another one statement, echo, then $sign and in capital bash. Remember, always use the $sign before the variable. Ctrl S to save the file, and here once again execute it. And here we are getting another one output. $bash is the cell used are echoed or displayed as the output like /bin/bash. Such some other system variables are here like echo $bash underscore version. That means it gives the bash version. Next one, suppose echo $home. That gives us the location of the home directory. Suppose another one, echo $pwd. That is gives us the location of the present working directory. Ctrl S to save the file, and we can check the output once again. So the first one is the echo hello world is the line. Second one echo bash, that means /bin/bash. Echo $bash version, that is the version of the bash. Then echo home, that is the location of the home directory. And last one is the $pwd, that means present working directory. So this is how the system variable works. Now we should discuss with the user defined variables. At first, suppose we are creating a variable and giving a variable as name, and we are typing as giving the name, suppose Sumon Das. Always remember, after the word name there is a space, then the equal sign or the equal operator, then another space, then Sumon, another word, then a space and another word dash. Now type echo my name is $name. Ctrl S to save the file and execute. What happens? Up to echo $pwd there is no problem, but on line 13, that means that one name is equal to Sumon Das, command not found. But after that echo my name is, that one has been printed or is in the output. So we can also use some extra phases with the variable in the echo. That means here like my name is. So here also we can use some extra phase like bash name is $bash version. Suppose here we can write sorry, that must be bash name is, we can write it is here like bash version is. Here we can write bash name is $bash. Suppose that one here we can write home directory space, and here once again present working directory. Once again save the file and execute. The same error persists, but here we can check the other extra phases has been added here as the output. Now about the variable name. Just remember, there must be no blank between the name of the variable and the equal operator. So here we are removing the blank. Moreover, after the equal operator there would be no blank, and at first we are deleting the second word also. So name is equal to Sumon with no blank. Ctrl S to save the file and execute here. what happens? Now we are getting the value of the variable that is given as Suman. Once again, at first we are clearing the screen, and once again we are executing for better view. Now check, name is equal to Suman and the value of $name, that means the value of the variable Suman has been printed here. Now what to do if we want some extra words like Suman space dash to assign the value to the variable? Just use double quote space then dash and end of double quote, Control S. Now once again execute it, and we can check here the value assigned Suman dash is now the output. Now let we create another variable. Suppose it is known as 10 val is equal to giving the value as 10, and here we are typing echo the value is $10 val. Control S to save the file and check the output. What happens? Command not found, or the error is on line 17. That means here. We cannot give the name of any variable starting with a number. Here we have started the variable name with a number 10. So we are removing the number, and here we are writing the variable name once again with val 10, and also here we are giving the name of the variable as val 10. Let's check what happens after saving the file. .hello.sh, and now the value is 10. That means the output is perfect. So this is how we can use the comments and the variables in the shell script. In the next video, we will discuss how the users can input using the shell script and also how to get the output from the input.